Hey everyone, welcome back. मेरे साथ है श्रुति, मैं हूँ ज्योति, right?
Hello, hello.
So, Shruts,
Yeah.
we've missed this one, and he's back. And surprisingly, he's back. He's just dropped things without any teasers, without any announcements. His name is
Who's it?
Karma. We love him.
Ah,
Yes.
yes, we do. Yes. So
Remember the
he's
last
dropped something
one?
new.
He dropped something.
Band type वाला था. गाने का नाम क्या था? There were like band people in it.
मेरे भाई लोग,
हाँ, yes,
you
yes.
know?
मेरे भाई
Yeah.
लोग, yes.
What a fun video that was. And
Super.
track.
So
So
this
now,
one is with collaboration, like because we did see him in collaboration with others, but you know his individual track was like you said,
Hmm.
मेरे भाई लोग. So ये
Hmm.
कौन सा है?
This is his own track from his own album that's gonna drop, I think, later this year, soon. And I think the last time we saw him was in Krishna's Villain, na?
Yeah,
Ikka,
yeah.
Krishna, and him.
Yes,
So
yes.
he had a verse there. That was our last this thing. But this one is the intro. It's called
Okay.
I See You. It's from the album MYP, which I think stands for Miss You, Papa. So let's just get into it.
So when you're saying it's an intro, meaning the album's going to drop later and this is just like a snippet of it.
I think it's part of the album.
Okay.
You know, like
But it's a
still,
full song.
yeah, like Still Here
okay.
intro was in the Still Here album. This is in the
Right,
album.
right.
This one's
Okay.
called
ठीक
intro in bracket ICU. So
ठीक है.
ICU, maybe it's
Let's
the
check it
actual
out.
ICU. Yeah.
Yeah.
Produced by Yunan, additional voice Raftar, mixed and mastered by Deep Kalsi, as always.
All right.
So
Kalamkar gang. Yes.
exactly. Chalo. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
बचपन में भरोसा दिखाया सब पे ऐसे काम बहुत करें अब बड़ा हुआ सच में एक और बात नोट करें पता था रैप करना जहर का पियाला है पर मुक्ति चाहिए थी मुझको नहीं करनी थी नौकरी पूरा पियाला पिया अब हूँ पूरा टॉक्सिक फेस टू फेस ना यू फकिंग टॉक शिट कला की कमी किसमें कितने बार्स लेट्स सी तेरे करियर पे चल तू जैसे हो वो डेड सी ना प्रोड्यूसर ना किसी एक्टर की पैदाइश ना ही दुनिया से कुछ अलग करने की मेरी ख्वाहिश ना मुझको कूल बनना ना ही बनना ग्रेट ना बनना मुझको एमिनेम नॉट इवन उसकी फोटो स्टेट बट एक ठीक ठाक सा रैपर दैट्स ऑल आई रियली वांना बी पैसा इज्जत आर्ट सपना यही छोटा सा रूम मेरा 240 पेज की कॉपी राइम स्कीम रैप और थोड़ी बहुत हॉबी कह लो फंडामेंटल राइट्स लिखने का अधिकार और टोन में लिखने के मुझको मिले संस्कार अब देखो देशभक्त संस्कारी दोनों ही काम में कर रहा और क्या सोसाइटी सोचती है इसका फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा कभी समाज ने बोला है अच्छाई के लिए नहीं कुछ ढंग का उगता देख बोले कटाई के लिए ही कोई चुप है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बोलेगा नहीं आने वाली लाइन इक्का भाई के लिए नहीं हरकत से लगता तू जीना नहीं चाहता चैन से जिसे खुलने की इच्छा है बंद पड़ी वो फाइल है मुझे नहीं आना पड़ेगा मेरे फॉलोवर्स 10 के काफी अगर मैं जेकोल हूँ तू मेरा मिडिल चाइल्ड बनेगा पे की मात्रा ऊपर बिंदी डापे आका डंडा खामा का पटाखा छेड़ा बम के पकाता फटना नीची सारी सोच नीची हरकत है विशाखापट्टनम गाने एक गले से सारे गलों में कर्मा का फंदा Check. Ala bala syllable आजकल लोग मारे ala bala syllable आजकल लोग ala bala syllable आजकल लोग मारे ala bala syllable आजकल लोग वर्बली बने बलशाली लोग पर असली में होते बड़े जाली लोग घर असली में बना रखे काट के खुद के और दूसरों पे पत्थर उछाले लोग कभी डर से नहीं जिया कभी ना खौफ पता मुझे कभी ना कभी ये आनी मौत पर जिंदगी नहीं डर में बितानी बॉस मेरे गाने बोलेंगे मेरी कहानी बॉस I was a legend, I am a legend, I will be a legend, ये फैक्ट है मेरे साथ में भिड़ने का सीधा सा मतलब that you're gonna die is a death match अगर तू मर चुका पहले ये फ्लैशबैक तू नहीं अंडरटेकर बट अ डेड मैन ये है बैटल ग्राउंड नो टेंशन तेरा मुंह चले बस व्हाट द बैक मैन और जो छोड़ यार
नहीं मत छोड़ यार मत छोड़. Oh my God, I
What?
am so pumped. I am so pumped right now. Jojo,
Why did he stop? Why did he
I'm
stop?
getting goosebumps like through and through. एक तो the moment it started, it was so different. It is so fresh sounding. What is Karma doing? पहले वो मेरे भाई लोग अभी ये. Oh my God,
He's so
I'm
real, man. This is
I'm
why I
beyond
love him.
stoked right now. Oh my God, when is this? When is this album coming? Any idea?
I don't know. It doesn't say in the thing. No, didn't say. It didn't even say at the end, in the credits.
This is the intro to it. Like hello,
The rest of
hello.
the album. Listen,
Wow.
this guy just keeps it so real. I love it. There's and forget the verses, the switches, all of that. We'll talk about that. He's just so real and so like he's not trying.
So
He's not trying too hard to be something. He's just like he sees through the fake shit, basically, and he
yeah,
writes
yeah,
about that. He said, "I don't want all that." I love that. Just
yeah,
that aspect of
yeah,
his personality is what makes me a fan.
yeah. I
That's something
absolutely love it.
when
But
it comes to the
in
talent.
this one,
Mm,
like to me, it has just opened a new dimension to him.
mm,
Because so far everything we've seen, it is so true. We always go for his honesty. We always go for so hardcore real he keeps it, and that's what we always go for. But didn't you feel that in this song, it's like he's like सब बोल रहे हैं कुछ अलग करो ये लो ये होता है अलग. Like
mm.
he's just like I love the visual aspect of this song. If this has 2-3 songs which are about to come, because the way they switched, it didn't sound like one song. It literally felt like an intro to this is all the different shades that will come in the album. So if this is that one track in which they just did very drastic changes, wow. And if this is anything to go by, this is a very fresh perspective to the way I see Karma. I don't see him like this.
I mean, he's also like, he's gotten into the mainstream, I would say, but he's gotten into, he's been picked up by a label and signed on and all of that,
Correct, correct,
and
correct.
moved cities and
Yeah.
started, doing things professionally at a very young age.
Yeah.
So you can see his growth as well in that sense.
Yeah.
But yes, this track was very different from I think what we've heard. But it was also very Karma. Like I feel
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
his switching things up and his just playing around, him leaving just ending the verse on a high. It is very Karma. He's done that before. Love that. I love that because it just took me by surprise. I'm like, what? Is it over? Is it over? No, why is it over? Yeah. So I think he knows what he's good at and he plays with it and he's playing with it
Yeah.
so well in this track. Oh my god. So when the beat changed, first of all, Yunan and Deep Tulsi, like big up. Like seriously, this track sound and the mixing and
Superb.
the
It's just
beat was so
beyond.
hard. It was yeah. So full marks. It gave him so much to play with, right?
Yeah.
Um,
And
but
that bit when I saw वो जब literally कि वो car was his journey का kalam, and then he was putting the petrol or whatever diesel and fuel in it, but it was written as ink, so like वो स्याही डाल रहा है उसके अंदर, and then he begins to drive it and it kind of flies. It
it
doesn't
flies, it
I-
takes off into the
right?
into the yeah.
I loved it. Loved that
Loved
idea.
it.
Loved it as a concept. Very nice.
Did you see the color grading in this video?
Yeah. Yes.
Freaking brilliant. It just,
Superb.
I mean, I don't know who has done the video, but
भाई वाह मजा आ गया.
very nice. I'm just seeing video credits. A Pardesi Chalchitra and Nitin Bharadwaj film. Okay. Nitin Bharadwaj
very
and
nice.
team. Very nice. Geez, I don't know what okay, now coming to his verses and his lyrics. Of course, he's being real and pretty, this is what I've learned and this is what I've been taught and this is who I am and this is what I'm gonna do and this is what you can expect from me as an artist. I'm not trying to be the Eminem. I'm not trying to be anyone. I'm not, I'm just here to be me and do what gives me joy and
Correct.
helps me sleep well at night, that I, follow my passion and I'm doing what I love. So that aside, I didn't get that ye ugly line ikka bhai ke liye nahi. I didn't
Yeah.
get that because I don't know the history or what's going on there.
I was about to ask you that. I was like, ये
Yeah.
कुछ ये क्या चल रहा है? ये क्यों
No,
बोला?
but
Like
they're all brothers, so there's no
Yeah.
this thing there. But I think that just meant like he's clarifying something. He said
correct.
something,
Yeah.
and then I think at some point there was a reference to someone else. I can't remember now. When it was going on, I was like, "Is this?" But I don't know. I could be wrong. What did you think? What did you think of the verses?
The verses
line.
were very nice. I also felt like there were easily three different ways the way he rhymed it. Like initially when it began, the
Yeah.
flow was very different and the way he was rhyming it and
Yeah.
spitting it as well, very different. And then suddenly it switched to,
That
there was that part
log,
where he said कि
log
तुझे
kahe, yeah,
हाँ,
even the log
which one?
bit, na, the
Yeah,
log kya kahenge, something that bit, I don't know.
correct. So overall the impact was that every time he switched,
Hmm.
it kept me like it derailed me. And the moment it derailed me, I was that much interested. I was listening with, that much more interest. Ye kya kiya? What? So you can easily understand what he's saying, but
Yeah,
it's the connections he's making which is so interesting. So I
yeah,
absolutely loved it.
I
I'm
loved
like
it.
my love for Karma is back, like strong. And how I think ये इतने time बाद ही releases, थोड़ा जल्दी, थोड़ा gap कम होना चाहिए, ये कुछ ज़्यादा लंबा हो रहा है gap.
That's exactly what I was thinking. I'm like, where has he been? Why hasn't he been
Yeah.
dropping stuff? I mean, I know the pain because everyone's like, oh, react to this fast. Where's the next video? And I'm like, it's painful. So we get
But
it.
if
It
this
takes
is the
time to
kind of
create.
yes, but if this is the kind of stuff he's going to be creating, I'm okay waiting also. I'm like ठीक है, अगर इस level इस quality का काम आने वाला है तो कोई बात नहीं, wait कर लूंगी, no problem.
But this kind of production and this kind of sound and it's I don't know. It's taking hip hop to the next level in the country.
Yes,
Is all I'm
absolutely,
gonna say. And
absolutely.
props to the Kalamkar gang, yeah, all of them. Every artist, every track they drop is just it's setting the bar higher and higher. So I
Yes,
love that. I love that. And
I'm
of course, yeah, now we're looking forward to MYP. I'm guessing it's an album we'll have to cover track by track. So we don't know.
yay.
Yeah, we don't know if the whole album will be dropped, or it'll just be one release after another in terms of video, or I don't know. But let us know if you guys know, and
And if
tell
you
us.
enjoyed this song, then
Mm,
definitely hit like for sure. And then
yes.
tell us also, and DM में जाके बताओ कि next क्या आने वाला है, कौन सा गाना request करना चाहिए, everything. Go irritate Jojo on Instagram.
Yes, irritate me all you want. And big heart for Karma. Love him. This is great stuff. So check out Miss Bola's channel while you're at it. It's linked in the description below. A lot of podcasting happening there. Anything new you've uploaded?
Yeah. This whole month we're discussing, there's a life coach that I'm discussing things with. So we are rewriting ourselves. So different ways how one can rewrite oneself. And
Oh,
even if we don't want to, we might think that, अरे इसमें हमें क्या rewrite करना है, हम बहुत sorted है life में. लेकिन how to polish ourselves up a little bit and go deeper into our, ourself and perform better. That's what we're learning over there today, this
nice.
month.
That's always needed. Go
Yes.
check it out. It's linked below, and we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.